Hey guys, what's going on? So if you're like us, you have a lot of inflatables because kids love them. Here's the Grinch falling over. He had a little bit too much eggnog. We got Olaf, we got Baby Yoda, we got a dinosaur. Then I've also got Mickey, which I bought last year. He's bad, and that's what we're gonna get to in this video, is how to fix him. And we have a Minnie, and we have a couple others that went bad over the years. So let me switch angles to show you what's going on. I lost it. So it's gonna be a little hard for me to show you with one hand, but if you take a flathead screwdriver or a knife, and you come right here and pull that tab over. See if I can do this one-handed. Hold on. I'm gonna bring y'all back in 1 second. Okay, so I've got the knife in there. You can literally just pry that back and pull the zip tie apart, and it'll lock back as soon as you're done. Let me see. Maybe I can get y'all. Here. Try it this way. So you'll literally just stick it in. So stick it in the side right there and you'll pull, and that'll allow it to loosen up just enough where you can get, I don't know if y'all see that, I apologize if you didn't. That allows you to get it out just enough. And then you'll just put the new one back in, zip tie it tight, good to go. Right here, we'll just peel off this plastic where you can cut the wires. Well, this little glue, I won't say plastic. So this is just a retaining clip, and then this is a power wire. Pretty simple because the new one's gonna come with the power wire. So we just feed this one out, and this wire we'll just cut and splice in the new one. Or, if you want, you can, hold on, let me take that glue off. Or you can go ahead and take that off, solder on your new connections, which in this case, this one was starting to break anyway. But this one's marked with a little stripe for, I believe, negative, I'm guessing. I have to trace it down to find out, but you'll be able to figure it out. And like I said, the new motor, about 20 bucks, 30 bucks. The price of one of these brand new. It's really more for the big ones. This is actually one that they don't make anymore size-wise, so that's the only reason I'm gonna fix this. But check the description below. I have links to the new one, and all you do is put it in, zip tie it, and you're good to go. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll also be making a video on how to repair the light because I have some that lights went out.